Hey Jeff, have you ever wondered about Pegasi? I mean, they're just weird, strange creatures. They're basically like these horse with wings things, and they're just kind of weird. If you have no idea what I'm talking about Pegasi, which is the plural of Pegasus, which is that winged horse creature that you've seen in Hercules. You know what? They just kind of look like this. Hold on one second. You know, kind of like this. Horses with wings. Now, what I kind of wonder about is, what do these things eat? Because according to the Disney movie, a Pegasus is a horse with the mind of a bird. So in this case, what exactly would they eat? Because it has the body of a horse, which means physically it probably wants to eat like oats and grains and things that horses would eat. But the mind, which is probably what actually drives the entire body, would want to eat what an actual bird eats. Now there are plenty of types of birds, and birds when you normally think about them eat like corn and worms and apple seeds, probably not apple seeds because those are poisonous, and other miscellaneous types of like grains and oats and sometimes like slugs and tree mucus, which just sounds gross, but you know what? They eat it and they survive. I'm not asking you to eat it. Actually, humans eating tree mucus would actually probably be a very strange event. But then you also think there are like birds of prey, which will eat flesh of pretty much anything that they can get a hand on. So like owls will eat mice, vultures will eat whatever's on the road because they don't actually want to go and kill anything. So what would a Pegasi eat if it actually had the mind of one of these birds of prey? Yes, what I'm essentially getting at is that a Pegasus with the mind of a bird of prey would probably eat some animal flesh. And then also, because a Pegasus is just, really large, they would also probably nom on whatever human possibly goes to go up and feed it or pet it, because, hey, we're just kind of not scary, intimidating creatures. They'd also end up having, like, bloody mouths and things like that. So here's basically how I imagine that going. So let's pretend for a second that Mr. Sock Puppet here is one of those carnivorous Pegasi. Oh, why aren't you so cute? I just kind of... Oh, you know what? I have one of these carrots. Why don't you eat that? I mean... My hand! My hand! No! I need that! No! No! What kind of world is it where you can't just walk up to a mythical creature and expect it not to eat your hand? But because mythical creatures don't actually exist, I don't think this is actually really going to be a whole lot of an issue. But maybe this thinking is how the whole zombie unicorn, zombie horse thing started. I mean, it's a possibility. It's not that far of an offshoot of an idea. They actually had flesh-eating horses in mythology, and I don't actually remember the full thing, but it involved Hercules and cleaning out a stable, and yeah, maybe it's just off of that. Thank you to my friend Sean for this idea, and if you liked us, feel free to actually like us on facebook.com/2distantfriends, subscribe, and also thumbs up this video because we want more people to watch these videos. Jeff, I'll see you on Thursday. Ow.